Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving straight into how you can kickstart affiliate marketing even when you don't have an audience yet. No fluff, just straight facts, and the best strategies for building your YouTube channel from the ground up. I'll be revealing how to craft content that captivates from the get-go. Because let's face it, starting without followers is just a starting point, not a setback. We're going to act as if you've got a crowd waiting, and I'll show you how to draw them in. Let's jump into ClickBank, explore some top offers, and pick out products with potential. I'll demonstrate how, with the right approach, even the most niche products can become your gold mine. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and get ready for a crash course in creating content that converts, because we're about to change the game together. Let's get started. Let me quickly show you the Six Figure Freedom Club and why you should join. My name is David, and in 2023, I made $156,000 in affiliate commissions. This club is packed with comprehensive courses, live coaching, and a vibrant community already making sales. If you're struggling to make money online, our members are here gaining real income and growing their businesses. Ready to grow a real online business? The first step is taking action. Let me show you how. Click the first link below to get started. All right, so let's get into how to start affiliate marketing with no audience. We're going to jump right into it. There's not going to be any fluff or anything like that. I'm going to show you exactly what you should do in order to build your YouTube channel with no audience. But I am going to tell you that we're going to want to really laser focus on the content that we're going to create, because essentially what not having an audience means is just means that you don't have any subscribers or followers on Pinterest or YouTube or TikTok or LinkedIn or Twitter, whatever social media. It's usually a social media platform, right? Or even a blog, right? How much traffic you're getting to your blog. That is your audience. And if you're starting from scratch, essentially that's what you're looking for. If you asked me if you were going to start from scratch, I would tell you that, okay, you got to start somewhere. We know that you don't have an audience, but we're going to pretend like you have an audience. We're going to treat it like you already have an audience. We're going to go out there and start building high quality content around a product. So let me show you how we're going to do this. We're going to use the power of ChatGPT here in a minute, but let me go over here real quick, and we're logged into ClickBank right over here. And let's just go over here to the affiliate marketplace. And then we're going to go and look at some top offers right over here. So we can just look at the top offers. We can come in here and we can look at, this is the top offer right over here. This is in the health and fitness dietary supplements. I believe this is like a weight loss type pill or something like that. But let's go over here to the second one right over here. You can see there's a massive drop off right over here as far as a gravity means is basically a score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. And I believe it's based on a 14-day period. Correct me if I'm wrong. You can comment below, but I think it's 14 days. 882 different people have sold this product right here. So it's super, super hot. And then you can see that it just drops from there down to 474 and it just keeps going down. So all these, there's probably about 20 or 30 products that are just really hot on Bank at any given time. And 80+% of them are weight loss related, or definitely in the, like this one is dental niche. The other one is male enhancement right there. And then you have your one up here that's a sugar defender. So it's going to be for diabetes or just trying to lower blood sugar and so forth in a natural way. Let's just pretend like we're going to promote this product right over here. And so what I want to do is go over to the page right over here. I'm going to right click, open a new tab, and see if we can go over to the sales page. We have a massive sales page and so forth. So this is super, super cool. This is exactly what we're looking for. And what I like to do is come over here and just left click on some of the text, like maybe right over here, if that's text, and do a Control A on my computer and see that everything is highlighted. We don't need to grab the URL up here or anything like that. We just need to get this content. I'm going to say copy this content, and we're going to go back over here into ChatGPT. We're going to do some really cool things. So you can see that right over here, I just created this prompt, and these are prompts that I do keep some prompts that I really like in a prompt library, but most of the time I just prompt in a natural way, and I do it right on the spot for what I'm looking for at that time. And so right over here, we have take the following website content from a popular weight loss product. And so you would just change this if it's like a woodworking product or whatever it is. It's a popular weight loss product. I actually need to change this because it's not weight loss. It's actually a popular natural glucose lowering product. And give me 10 YouTube titles that are 60 characters or less. The titles should be extremely clickbaity and capture maximum interest from potential viewers. The videos should focus on the benefits of the product and why the viewer should want to purchase the product. Here is the content. So I'm going to put my cursor right here. I'm going to Control V. We have all that content. Yeah, we don't need all that right there, but it's totally fine. We'll come down here and then we'll just push the enter button right over here, and ChatGPT is going to go to work because now it has all of this data that we have over here. All this information on this sales page right over here, pricing, what the product is, who the product creator is, what does this stuff have in it. This is important right over here. And this is text-based, so we know what it has in it right over here. And then it has some real testimonies right there as well. And then it has this information. So we did get this right over here. I should have went and copied and got a little bit more information over here as well. But we got all this right over here. So all this information right there is super important to the way that we are going to go out here and create. It also had some Yale studies and so forth right there as well. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see what it has for us. We'll scroll all the way down and see what it has. Okay, so here's what we have. Slash your sugar levels instantly with this, right? So we got, boom, transform your health in 30 days, Sugar Defender. We have why Sugar Defender is a game changer for diabetics, shed pounds and control sugar, secretly revealed, blood sugar miracle, see why everyone's buying, unlock energy, and lower sugar with one bottle, top blood sugar fix, save 110 today. So like maybe that one, we would toss that one. I don't think that this one's a good title, but so far all the rest of them are good. Revolutionize your guts, Sugar Defender's promise, drop blood sugar, boom, and then watch. So we can use those. And then another thing, think about the person that doesn't know about this product, but what are they trying to do? They're trying to now give me 10 titles that are on how to naturally lower blood sugar. And then ChatGPT is going to go to work for us. So get in a marketing standpoint, from a marketing state of mind. What is your customer looking at when they're on YouTube? They're typing in how to lower blood sugar naturally. Someone that's going to buy this product is looking at lowering their blood sugar without having to take pharmaceutical medicine prescribed from their doctor. They've already done a ton of research. Maybe they've already been on that before, but they already know that is it's only putting a Band-Aid over what's happening, but it's actually not fixing the problem. And if we can combat this with natural remedies and actually fix the problem, here we go. Let's look at these titles. 5 surprising foods that combat high blood sugar. Lower your blood sugar naturally in 7 days. The ultimate guide to reducing blood sugar without meds. Beat blood sugar. These ones are even better. I like these ones even better. So these ones are going after a direct sale. You're directly trying to sell the product, and that's okay. You can mix that in, but the big thing is you want to use these right here are going to be real interesting videos that you can go out and create. Make sure if you're in something that is such a sensitive subject right here, make sure that you put disclaimers that you're not a doctor and to reach out to a doctor for advice. You need to definitely look into putting a professional disclaimer. But guess what? When we come back into click, these are the products that sell. 882 people right here, almost 500 people are selling this Sugar Defender, and they are just affiliates like you and me. They're not doctors that are selling this. And so you can definitely do this in a right way. You just want to make sure that you do it right. You put the disclaimer, and then you actually do your research on this. You really want to make sure. You don't want to just put in ChatGPT and have them tell you everything. You'd want to go and research on watch doctors and their YouTube videos, learn about the real stuff, and then you can go out and create some scripts right over here. And this would be great for creating faceless YouTube channels with high quality content. And this is the way you would go out and promote this product on ClickBank that is absolutely crushing it, making hundreds of thousands of dollars right now. You can actually go out there and use this strategy to start going and building videos. Now, of course, I'm not going to show you how to build the videos in this video. This is how I would go about doing this, putting together a content plan. And then you're going to go out there and you're going to use maybe InVideo or Pictory or PowerPoint slides or however you want to do it. to go out there and put together some good videos that you can go out there and start promoting this product. Okay. So that's exactly what I would do. So hopefully this guide opens up your eyes to what is possible and how you can actually go out and start promoting high quality products to a specific audience, and the audience you don't even have to have. And look right over here, when I show you this channel over here, a couple months ago, I had 0 people subscribe to this channel, and I started putting out videos, and you can go and look. I'll even show you right here one more time. We go to videos, just look at the first videos that I actually put together on this channel right here. The first video, I got 2,500 views right here, and then I got 1,000. And then look at 36 views right here, 33 views. Some of them don't pop off and didn't even get 100 views. There's one over here that's really almost funny, 29 views right here. But did I quit or give up? No. And that's what separates me from 99% of people, is that they give up when they get 29 views on a video, and I don't, because it's so much more worth it when you keep grinding and then you get videos like this one with almost 4,000 views and did almost 8 times better than my average view. And you just continue making content. Super, super cool. That's exactly how you do it. And we can go in and look at my channel just to show you proof that I really did only create this on November 7th, 2023. It's a brand new channel that has almost 22,000 views on it, almost 800 subscribers, only 27 uploads. And you can see the growth right over here. Okay. And so this one will be getting, and look at all the subscribers we're getting right over here on a daily basis, almost 20. We're getting 133 per week and 556. This is outperforming. I believe that this is actually outperforming my 2 main channels, this channel and LearnWire. This channel right here is doing better than both of them. Hopefully you got value from this. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll be back with more content like this. See you next time.